Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam, and today, if you can see by the title, today we're doing a Valentine's Day look. It's super simple, super easy. I'm just going to be using one palette to achieve that look. I'm using the Bad Habit After Hour palette. I don't know if you can still purchase this palette, but these are the colors. They're really pretty, and they're basically like, you know, pinkish and burgundy colors, so perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Flushed, which is this one right here. So I'm going with Flush. I'm gently tapping because this palette is so powdery but so pigmented. And I'm just gonna start off with the outer corner of my eye. But I love Valentine's Day. I know a lot of people don't like the holiday. Even if you're single, you can still have fun on Valentine's Day. And I'm going to go in my inner corner. I'm just going to sweep up across my crease. Since my actual natural crease is so low, I make a new one. Or you won't be able to see the color. Let me turn down this light a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. There we go. I think that's a lot better. I'm just packing in that color first and then gently buffering it out. You do the same thing on the other side. Pack it in, and then circular motions. Pack it in. But I love the Bad Habit palettes. I don't know if the company is actually still around, because if you try to go on their website, it says they're like on vacation or something, or revamping. But I'm so happy I got this palette when I did. I'm pretty sure you could probably find the palette somewhere online. Like it says, the After Hours palette by Bad Habit. Let's see. And I'm going to take a smaller brush because that brush really blows out the look. So I'm going to go in with Cabernet, which is like this deep burgundy color, on a tiny brush. I'm just going to blend it on the outer corners. We're going to do the exact same thing we did the first time, but this, with the smaller brush, you have more control on where you want the product to go, so it's a lot easier. Do the inner corner. So I just want to deepen up the look, and then we're gonna go across. I love this little brush. This is a real, what is it? Eagles tool brush. It's like literally perfect. So I'm doing like a round shape. I'm not doing like a sharp shape. So it's good to use like a small brush. Maybe on the other side. But if you're single on Valentine's Day, go get yourself some chocolate. Like, you can be bad all by yourself, like for reals. You do not need somebody to make you happy and like treat yourself. Alright, we're doing the inner corner. Oh, I love these colors. So perfect for Valentine's Day. Alright, and now we're gonna take that fluffy brush again, and we're gonna go in with Powder Room, which is this light cream color, and Lustful, which is like a little brown. And we're gonna blend, because I don't want anything to be too harsh. We're just blending right under the eyebrow. I'm going to keep blending. I'm not moving the product up, I'm literally just blending it in the same place. Same thing on the other side. So don't want any harsh lines. We're just gonna blend. Not moving the product, just blending. Blending is your best friend, literally. Alright, and now we're gonna go in with eye contact, or, no, we're going with Gossip. Let me turn the brightness down a little bit more so you guys can see better. Gossip, which is this like, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on camera, but it's like this dark pink color. Focus, camera. I don't know. Let me turn the brightness back up. So we're gonna go in with Gossip and put that right on the center and drag it up. So pretty. So pretty. Do the same thing on the other side, of course. I'm just using my finger because it's easier that way. So gorgeous. I'm gonna go back in with that small little brush we used the second time? I was gonna say first time. I'm just gonna blend just on the outer a little bit. Just so it's not like a harsh line. Just blending it. And then I'm gonna use the Miss Meadows glitter chalk. You guys have seen me use this like a billion times. But this one's like a pink glitter. This is in the color Pinkaboo. It's just a pink glitter suspended in like alcohol or something. I'm just gonna get it on my finger. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna tap it exactly in the center where we put the shimmer shadow. This little look could be more glittery. Again, just tapping it on my finger, rubbing my fingers in. Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see this look a little bit better. Give me a second. So that's what's, ooh, and my light's about to fall. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna do my eyeliner and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my eyeliner, now I'm back. We're gonna go back into that After Hours palette and grab a little bit of the light color. Let me do it right. Light, a little bit of the dark. And we're just gonna sweep that under. Just a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our finger and we're gonna take Clutch, which is this sparkly metallic pink. I hope you guys can see that. We're just gonna take it on our finger and we're gonna put it in our inner corner. Clean that up some. I wish I had my little brush, but I don't have it, so it's fine. Now we're gonna go with mascara. It's by Maybelline, the Great Lash Mascara. I love this mascara, it's so good. Our lower lashes. Alright, so that's done. We're gonna go in with blush. Juvia's Place, you already know, this is volume 2. I'm gonna go in with the red, brown, purple. It's a little bit on her cheeks. Blend it upwards. Bring it on our nose. We're gonna highlight with this pink. It's really pretty pink. Don't overdo it. My hair is gonna get my nerves, so I usually keep my hair in a ponytail when I film. Alright, now for lips, we're just gonna take, I'm gonna go in with this Nude Rose by, I don't know who it's by, but that's the packaging. This is like pinkish, nudish pink color. It's like a dark rose color. These is not my favorite liquid lipsticks, but they'll do the job today. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, so this is the look, guys. I know my eyeliner is messed up because I suck at eyeliner, but I think it's a really pretty Valentine's Day look. Really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. And make sure you comment what you're doing for Valentine's Day. Alright, bye.